Yes, afford 12 in my nano Tommy Bay TV man and Mr. Laughter kama yeti kedweni en matini watiki lok maduong lok nge mabejo mumir wakel botu wange watiki jimi pat dicho matika time in northern Uganda kidong me Uganda in general when wange ni UACE man Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education team ki releasing o tierney bene weng wabineno ne kore mabikat yu dichu kany bene na to duong bene o wajo kamaling in en matini nimo NRM must improve service delivery in Buganda region. Kera antiga wajne kera. En manungini anti-chairperson pa man makilwani NRM Uganda. So antiga wajne mo kita dong gamente losing man makilwani like by-election ka wempe. Tiyan loka ni Kampala mero tij ma diet tutwal ma pier tek ni mero kiket ka maleng. Now teach any beberu yot kache nen service delivery kimero. Waka kwani loka kida ya waje ke. To don't stretch following the recent victory of National Unity Platform, Elias Yimbazi Nalukula in the Kawempe North by-election, NRM Secretary General Richard Odwong has acknowledged that the government must do more to regain support in the Buganda region and its surrounding areas. Odwong stressed that significant improvement are needed in service delivery, particularly in areas such as road infrastructure, urban planning, healthcare, and education. Reflecting on the party's campaign effort, he noted that the complexity of the Buganda region requires a deeper understanding by the government and all stakeholders to involve stretching these challenges. Using comparison to cities like Nairobi, Juba, and even some other developed countries, Todwong pointed that the influx of people from the region into Kampala has placed immense pressure on the city, and particularly in terms of infrastructure and service delivery. He urged the government must extend better services beyond Kampala to elevate this strain on the capital. On the issue of understanding the dynamics of Buganda and Kampala, Todwong called for more honest and independent approach by the government in stressing the region crisis. Mono Kinma and Tigawajane Kere. We need to open the people in Buganda, and they try to understand how the government works, its priorities and demands for people's demands of the people, he stated. Now, to Adwong alluded that the widespread issue of corruption, which he claimed diverts the vital resources from such needed services, and he also urged Parliament to begin addressing the concerns of Buganda by assuring that regional needs, this region needs a factured planning. That is gen ma to don wajo pier tak to twalo mire nge kero nge ne gamanto lo no gen don go ber ki ker menga me losing man makilwoni election mono lok pa to don gen ma eno katikere kor ki kore. Now wanen result me UAC wanen result katika maleng ma pier tak to twalo ki bodo ne mire nge wange ni dano tiki chwinje to almengene result ke releasing ne matine ki dong bene wangene Dan Makilwani Janet man Minister of Education and Sports Janet Katama Seveno Kateki result pa UAC mawaja kama leng ni dano bedo ki mir maduong tutwal daklo teno kwan maromo aliba ye chiel mia bungwen Pierre Bor wia bor ma gutimo milion achiel mia bungwen ki Pierre Bor wia bor yana gutimo peny ma dan mo karo bedo maber twal percentage obedo maleng ken machalo ke geno bedo kanane kere bedo peta twal ni tim makere no mier katika maleng kita geno wajo ke ni jimi penyene obedo matek ato de geno actually dama Roma ali achiel Pierre ngwen Pierre Bor milion achiel ali Pierre ngwen ki Pierre Bor wia bor ana go timo peny do teno kwan kidong dan mag ka neno ma wakati man 2023 bedo dan marom aliwa milion achiel mia bungwen Pierre ngwen ki Pierre Bor wia bichiel dan ma gotimo peny anyiera obedo makilwone 61,598 kidong bene man makilwone wobe obedo 97 290 mono percent Pierre bich via dek kidanyier bedo percent Pierre ngwen via dek candidates ma dong gubino ato gucho ane ape gutimo penyo bero ma aliwe chel mia chel kabor mono joma pe gutimo penyo so result katio dano gen tika wacho ni mo gen ma pe atak ena institution madong beno gutimo penyo mier go chak lako nga ken magen nano kere curriculum ma mege pen jomo penyo en A level jimbo kene tie part ki machan so institution jalo universities gine mier go lak beno ken mano gen gi nano kere curriculum ma megi we go shooting lutien kwan en mano gen go go kelo wa kama lengi mona lok matie kor ki kore o meta go to wanyak ke du wa kwa o kel bodu kama lengi ma mono gen matie na we ko nge ka che lok matie community ma megi ma meta go to wa kel bodu kama lengi kor ki kore we ko to bena yeah wange ken mano jim na tikere bodu dichu mona obero lok matie ma tawane akel bodu penien matini kor ki kore mediki subscribing ka che subscribing we're a bit part of Tommy Bear TV and for the twelve manana wa nen wono chamo kene ka che nen yemene tie wen war ma be ken macharo meta keda for the twelve manana wa